Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to see that how we can make our login page more secure in case of WordPress. As we all know that our WordPress login page is same for everyone, that we need to put our website URL and then wp admin wp login.php. So these are the things that we use after our URL to log in on our WordPress site. So everyone knows about these URLs. Even 35% of websites are made on WordPress because it's a free source and everyone can handle this because it's not that typical. And to make this thing little bit secure, we are going to make our login page URL a little bit secure so that no one can get access to that page easily. As everyone knows about the WordPress login page URL, so they can easily access to someone WordPress site and then they can easily hack your WordPress dashboard and can get your data from there. So to prevent this thing, we have a solution. Here we are going to use a plugin to make our WordPress login URL a little bit secure so that no one can easily get access over there and your website and your data will remain safe. So without any delay, let's go to our WordPress site dashboard and then download up that plugin. So for that, first of all, we are going to visit our website, and here in the last we need to put wp admin. Then it's going to redirect us on our login page, and here we need to fill our password. Then it will take us to our dashboard page, and here we need to go on plugins section, then click on add new, and from here we need to install a plugin named as wp hide login. So search the keyword and in the search bar option search for wp hide login and then press enter. If you go a little bit down here, you will be able to see the first plugin named as WP's Hide Login, and this plugin has 2052 ratings and plus 1 million active installations, and the plugin is last updated before 5 months, so we can go with this version. And here you can see that this is compatible with our website version. Always remember that only install the plugins that are compatible with the version of your WordPress site. Otherwise, don't go for those plugins because it might affect your WordPress site. So click on activate now. Here is our plugin get activated. Now you can access your plugin by two methods. The first one is by the plugin section and then go to install plugins area, and here you will get this plugin. You can even search this plugin by its name. Then the second option is by hovering on the settings option, and then over there the last first option is wp hides login. Then click on that, you will be redirected to the WP hide login dashboard. Here we have only two options. The first one is WP login URL and the second is redirecting URL. The first one is here to change our main URL, and here we can put anything. For example, I write secure WP login. Here you need to put something that no one can guess, so that may help you to make your site login URL a little bit secure. So here we took this thing here. So here we took this. We are not going to change our redirecting page URL, as it will redirect the user to 404 page. And the redirecting URL is for that someone comes to your website and type for a URL which doesn't exist in your website, then he or she will get redirected to 404 page. Then click on save changes. Here you will get a new URL to log in your dashboard. So let's try that. Okay, so here is the URL which will help us to log in our website from next time. So what we will do, we will go and try this in another tab. Okay, here we are already logged in. Let's do with another browser. For example, I open the Chrome browser and here I put this URL. So you can see that now we are on our login page, and what if I just remove this and put wp-admin. So it may be it will took me to the 404 error page. And if you put wp-login.php, then it will still redirect you to the same page, because this URL doesn't exist in your website. So the new URL is this, and we can easily log into our website by this. So let's try this. I put my email, username, and then password, then press enter. And please bookmark that URL, because if you forget that URL, then you will not be able to access your WordPress dashboard. So remember this thing. And here we are on our WordPress dashboard. Okay, now get back to our site. What if you just forget that URL? Then what you can do, then you just need to do some simple steps. The first one is to go your website file manager. Go to your website cpanel and then look for the file manager option. And in case if you forget the URL, then you can do one thing, that you can go to your then you can go to your cpanel, and then go to public.html file, and then go to WP content. There you will get an option for plugins. From there you can delete that plugin, or you can rename the plugin that we just installed here, and then you will be able to access your website as you are doing before installing that plugin. So I hope after watching this video you will be able to make your website login page a little bit secure than before. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.